I'm trying to fix the bumper. Started sanding it right here. I'm gonna use epoxy to fill that up, and then little bondo. The rest of the bumper seems to be okay. Just these two areas, that one and that one. So yeah. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I just put some vinyl on the front side on both, so that way when I turn it around and I pour all the epoxy right here, and here it'll create like a little barrier from the front. So I want all the front to be filled in, and that way I can sand it back to where it has to be. Okay guys, so just installed some HIDs on the driver's side. I don't know if you can tell. This one. And this one's the original one. I like the HID better. So we move on, just using a 10mm socket right here. Right here. That should loosen up the headlight. So now that you have your headlight out right here, I'll flip it and remove this cap. You're gonna make some holes somewhere around here, like 1/2 inch hole. Okay, so now that you've made the hole, just make sure all these cables fit through there, and pull this thing outside with little, like a rubber. It is gonna create like a seal, so that's what you want. So after you have everything installed, it should look something like this. The wires outside, so you can connect the ballast. Let me show you guys from the inside. So these are your wires. Yeah. The bulb is already in place. What you gotta do now is just close it pretty tight. That's it, and go connect your ballast right here. That's it. So everything is connected. So you gotta make room for this somewhere in the car, and then plug the main connector. That should take care of the rest. Now you gotta put the headlight back on. Look for a place down there with some zip ties. Push it in place. Put these little bolts and little screws back in. There. And here. So now once you have everything bolted down, let's check them out. They are. These are 6,000s. 6,000K. Got some kits right here. And I got a lot more down there. See, now you can see the epoxy coming through right here too. Epoxy. I'm gonna put some little bondo over it. I did the epoxy, a little bit of bondo, primered right now, so there it is. If you could tell. It was right there, and somewhere around here was one of the holes. and the other one was somewhere around here. So got some Bondo. I just sanded it. See the patch on the back? There you can see a little bit, the epoxy. Fire right there because it's kind of cold tonight. So I'm gonna let it dry and wait for tomorrow.